Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, mo kí wa ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí a bá wà. Èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ olólùfẹ́ yín náà ní Àkàlàmàgbò TV. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fọ́nrán tí a mú wá yìí. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ní last time, máa yín gbé fídíò kan jáde. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ bí àwọn Fúlàní bí wọ́n ti ṣe gba Kwara State àti border Benin Republic wọnú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ó yànnà náà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mọ́ lókè gbogbo wa lórí. Ẹ ti wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí arákùnrin tó sọ níbí báyìí sìn. Wọ́n ní wọ́n dictate pé helicopter tó lọ ń já àwọn weapon, àwọn oúnjẹ, àwọn nǹkan tó ń já fún wọn precisely. Wọ́n ní wọ́n dictate pé helicopter yẹn kó belong to one of Nigeria politician. Ṣẹ́rípò gbẹnu tán. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ṣẹ́rípò gbẹnu tán. Ó kọ sísọ gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń pariwo lé lórí lélẹ̀. Àwọn ará bíi a máa ń pariwo, a ní àgbàrá òjò lóhùn onílé wú, onílé ni ò ní gbà fún un. Ṣé bá a ṣe dákẹ́ lélẹ̀ táwọn pípé wọn á run wá dànù? Kí ni èèmù wọn? Nígbà tí Nàìjíríà, àwọn tí ẹ tán lọ ń ṣojú yín, àwọn tí ẹ rán lọ sílé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin tí wọ́n ń ṣojú wa, tí wọ́n ń gbé, wọ́n ń jẹ, wọ́n ń gbé ọlá ńlá nínú ọrọ̀ wa tí ó belong sí gbogbo wa. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń pa wá lé lórí. Ẹ̀rí pé lágbára ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi gbogbo. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí arákùnrin sọ. Bàbá, ẹ gbóhùn sókè.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Tuesday, 13th day of May 2025. Thanks to everyone who checked on me yesterday. I am very fine. If I did not post in a day, a lot of people will be worried and they will try to check on me. I am fine. Thank you so much. All right. We have a lot of things to discuss in this video. First of all, I made a video some time ago, about a week, telling you about how the helicopters are bringing weapons in the border of Kwara State that led to Benin Republic to close their border between Nigeria and Kwara State. And to your own interest, have you not been imagining how do all these people get their weapons? Even though, okay, they get weapons while coming to Nigeria, but it's not going to be possible that even in your village, sometimes you see helicopter will fly and pass your village. You don't ask questions, where are these helicopters going? They are going to your farms, going to your bushes. And something like that is this thing now you are seeing on the screen. As you can see, the helicopter there brought weapons, food for all these terrorists. This is the way terrorists are being fed with weapons and food in Nigeria. It's not a new thing to a lot of people. A lot of people already, have the knowledge of this, are aware of all this mess going on in Nigeria. Now, I am surprised because the number of this helicopter, that is the helicopter tracking number, is not too visible in this video, but I use some, applications, some technologies to detect it more. And the number that we got also belongs to a Nigerian politician. But this is confidential. We are not going to bring it up to social media for some security reasons. This helicopter, if the application did not make mistake, because if you can pause the video where the helicopter was living there, if you pause the video and check it well, it might be very difficult for you to see it. But we have application we normally use to detect all those fainted letters. It will show and be visible. So we checked on this one. We discovered that a prominent politician in Nigeria owns it. And if our judgment is true, because this is not what you just see and copy. We have to use application to make sure we see it very well. And if the number was maybe wrong, I don't think that it will match any helicopter at all. And the helicopter we saw that owns the number is the same color we are seeing, the same thing. So that was where we came to agree that yes, this helicopter also belongs to a prominent politician in Nigeria. For those of you who don't have the awareness of what is going on in Nigeria, you can't help a nation that is not ready to liberate themselves. There is no how you can save a nation that is not ready for liberation. Most Nigerians, most ethnic groups in Nigerians, they are not ready for liberation. They are already dying, and they think that that is the way of life. They are psycho conditioned to believing that the way they are living is just all right. Now, that is not enough. The issue of the insecurity in Southeast, I have a totally different opinion about that. A lot of people know my own opinion about the issue of insecurity in the Southeast. Not all those minor kidnapping or ritualists and all those things. That has been in the Southeast right from time. I'm talking about serious terrorist attacks, serious kidnapping and all those things. Now, take a look at this video. This is an army barrack that ISWAP just dislodged. If you can watch this video to the end. At the end of the video, I will put it there. You will discover that so many armor tanks, bulletproof car of the military, they were destroyed by ISWAP. I want to put forth a question. Why is it that if they attack in the north, they are called terrorists, ISWAP, Boko Haram? In the southwest, they are called the same name. They attack in Abuja, they are the same name. They attack even though in Delta, they are the same name. Fulani terrorists, all those people, they are the same name. They are the same mission. They are on the same mission. But anytime the attack happen, anytime these people attack in the southeast, they change the name to IPOB. Now, if the time Nnamdi Kanu has not been kidnapped and, held in detention, people would say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu is commanding them. Later, they say Simon Ekpa was the one in charge. He's the one commanding them. Now, Simon Ekpa is not in the picture. Let me tell you, if you like, kidnap everybody in the southeast, put them in one place, this insecurity will continue. Because the people you are thinking that they are the main mastermind of all this insecurity, they are not. I am not saying that Igbos are not part of the people who kidnap or do ritual. Yes, I said so. Most of Igbos, they are ritualists. Most of Yorubas are ritualists. Most of Hausas are ritualists. So in Nigeria, that thing you call ritualist is real. Okay, it's real. I'm not trying to deny that. You might deny it because you don't have the knowledge, but I know ritualists exist. They kill people, they kidnap people. But that has been right from onset. So it's not part of the insecurity issue we are talking in Nigeria. So the people who are taking all these military houses, dislodging it and taking care of it, I think they are the ones that, they are the ones that are carrying out attacks all these places. So do not be deceived by what most media organizations in Nigeria will come out to tell you it is IPOB. That is why this insecurity in Nigeria, you can't solve it. And if ISWAP attack or Boko Haram attack, people will say terrorists. No, it's Nigerian politicians. We start calling them by their names. Politicians sponsor this insecurity. If we refuse to call the spade, we'll continue to suffer like this.
Ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ rí ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ, ẹgbọ́n tó wí. Ṣé irọ́ wà lórí ọ̀rọ̀? Ẹ mọ̀ pé nínú fọ́nrán tó ṣe ní last time, ẹ rí pé arákùnrin sọ̀rọ̀ kan, ó ní nínú fọ́nrán tó ń ṣe, ó ní ọlọ́pàá kan wá pè òun, ó ní ọlọ́pàá kan pè òun, ó ló ń sọ pé báwo lòun ṣe get àwọn information tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí yẹn. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa kó orú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́lẹ̀ ìdánù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rí ohun kan èjì, ká máa rí wọn dìmú nínú àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí. Ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àbí kò ṣẹlẹ̀, àwọn ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà ni. Àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Ṣé ẹ rí pé ó ti dójú ẹ̀ ń sìn? Ṣé ẹ rí pé ó ti dójú ẹ̀? Ó ti dójú ẹ̀. There's no hope for that land again. There's only way is to exist from this country. That is the only way out. Honestly, òun la ṣe ń pariwo àwọn bàbá wa tán ṣì ń hope, tán ṣì ń prepare for 2027. Ẹni tó mọ̀ bí òun á dọ̀la. Wọ́n ń kógun jọ, wọ́n ń kọ́rọ̀ jọ. Ẹ̀yin náà imagine ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ló dé? Èyí tó kàn wájú ń bẹ̀ ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí ń sọ. Ẹ rí i pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. Gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n ti lọ lúgọ sí, tí wọ́n ti lọ pamọ́ sí, tí wọ́n ti plan, wọ́n ti wà nínú igbó wa. Gbogbo àwọn reserve àti ẹ̀gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní wọ́n ti gbé àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ pé àwọn security kan, àwọn aṣọ́gbó, wọn náà ti buwọ́lù ń sìn. Gbogbo àwọn reserve wa, gbogbo nǹkan pátá ni wọ́n ti wà. Àwọn igbó kan wà ní òkè Ògùn, àwọn reserve kan wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ròyìn bó ṣe tóbi lọ dé àwọn Benin Republic, lọ dé àwọn sáàdì which other country bẹ́yẹn. Tọ́nà reserve tán ló dẹ̀ tóbi. Wọ́n dẹ̀, ó ti pẹ́ náà ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí almost 2019 ni wọ́n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Tọ́n ròyìn bá àwọn reserve yẹn ti bó ṣe tóbi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Ondo State Reserve is one of the largest reserve in Nigeria. Ondo State Reserve. Àwọn ará bí wọ́n kúnnú bẹ̀ bámu, wọ́n kún bẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ rí i pé ní last time tí máa Ọ̀jájú ní tán kidnap náà sọ̀rọ̀ dé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí náà, pé àwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá nìkan 55 camp náà ní síbẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ondo State. Ó níbi tí camp wọn pọ̀ sí jù ní Ondo State tó sọ ní last time. Ṣé rí i pé ó jọ gàtí, ó fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì tìrú. Ṣé rí i pé àti rógo? Ẹ rí i pé àti rógo àwa ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká di ilẹ̀ wa mú. Ẹ empower àwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wọ̀nyí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ empower àwọn ẹ̀kọ́. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa state policing sìn. A ò mọ àwọn state kọ̀ọ̀kan tí wọ́n ti accept. kàn gbé ìgbésẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀. A ti mọ̀ pé ó ti state ọ̀dọ̀ títí wa. A gbọ́ pé state wo náà wọ́n ti empower mọ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. I forgot the state. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ń wo àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tó wà active jù nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Ondo state Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kì í máa ṣe ń jáde nínú ìwé ìròyìn ní gbogbo ìgbà torí wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun. Ní last week wọ́n sì mú àwọn kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn Ọ̀yọ́ state Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, Ondo state and Ọ̀yọ́ state, àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn state méjì wọ́n wà very active. So a rọ àwọn state tó kù káwọn náà kan múra síṣẹ́ takuntakun. Àwọn tèkìtì, tọ̀ṣun state, togun state, Lagos state ní ti àwọn ọmọkọ táwọn rí wọn dá Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lẹ́ẹ̀mbẹ́ o, kò yé wa o. Ṣé àwọn ajínigbé ò sí ní Ondo ní Èkó ni wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ bá long bridge before Berger ojoojúmọ́ ni wọ́n jíyàn gbé ń bẹ̀. Ìkòròdú wọ́n jíyàn gbé ń bẹ̀. Àwọn ilẹ̀ Jùbẹ́kì àwọn Lẹ́kì area wọ́n jíyàn gbé ń bẹ̀ káàkiri bẹ́yẹn. So empower àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wọ̀nyí, àwọn lágbójúlé o. Empower wọn. Kí ni nǹkan tá à ń sọ? Ẹ jẹ́ kán gbé nǹkan táwọn ará ẹbí náà gbé kán lè fi kojú wọn. Ẹ lè gbé ṣàkàbìlà lé wọn lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ni kán lọ máa kojú àwọn tó gbé AK-47 kò possible. Ẹ gbà wá lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará ẹbí. Ojoojúmọ́ la ń gbé àwọn oríṣiríṣi nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò yìí síta tó ló ṣe pàtàkì. Ẹ gbà wá lọ́wọ́ wọn. Pípààyàn wọn ti pọ̀ jù. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi. A ní rí jù báyìí lọ. Èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín náà ni. Àkàlàmàgò TV. Ájúṣe fún wa o. Thank you all.